Yo, lion, foot, TV, Lionfoot TV, yo, hash, lion, yo, tune in, subscribe, one TV, Lionfoot TV, Asha, lion, Satay.
Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, line and lioness. Big up on yourself. I don't know Lionfoot with another vlog. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, and a whole heap of love and blessings. Same? Yeah man, anyone there, straight love right across the board. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you consider doing so. You see me? Yes man. Some of viewers and subscribers, I don't know. We have a little reason you know about Queenie, Dowey, and you know, people, mankind. Oh, mankind stay. And if you don't study mankind and them membrane and them, you know what I mean? It can easily be drawn out. That's why them say the humble calf sucks the most milk, get the most milk. Zin? Yeah, so you have to understand life and study people, because people, sometimes people brain just expand and do all sort of stuff. You know what I mean? And sometimes you have to think and give people the benefit of the doubt and know say them not think. That's why them act that way there. Yeah, so we see some voice notes that circulate around with Queenie and Dowey attack. Dowey, you see me? I say boy him this and that and him fed up of Queenie and him not happy and rate blah blah blah. Now we hear the voice note them, but me just say me not gonna put that on my platform because we see it go circulate around, and when listening to it, you can tell it's like, I thought it was like a recent voice note come here and say, what is this again, man? Is it really a publicity stunt or them a seek attention? But listening to the voice notes, you can tell they are old voice notes, long time. Zine, reason why I say that, at the end of the voice note, one of them, him say, him no want go to England, him not frightened for foreign, you know, and yeah. So that tells you that some old voice notes that circulate around, and the person who released those voice notes, put it out, are, you know, very small-minded and wicked. You know, because clearly that's an attempt to try mash them up or make them start war again. You know, because maybe they never expect that Queenie and Dowey would have go back together. Because you know they may have them difference and Dowey did left for a couple of days and Queenie come and share mad out, you see me? Big up Queenie, but yeah, Dowey ended up back home, which never surprised because I don't know, husband and wife, and them say them love them one another, that's why them tired in that. See, so it come like I said, the person who had that voice note, those voice notes, never happy or expected them to go back together. Worse, them gonna do a song now. Zine, produced by Sika Rhymes. One man to the goodie, and that I do it, and that I do it, you see me? And you can clearly tell in the song that Dowey and Queenie style them. I say, yo, all of the haters them who try to mash you up. You get me? Because Queenie talk something about dirty panty, and check it out, she wear dirty panty, and blah blah blah. And Dowey come in and say, them checks say we would have segregate. I want to knit them like a heavyweight. You see me? Nobody not perfect, we all make mistake and all of them things. So clearly the person them who hear them words from Dowey, this is what me I say still. Me I think, you know, and I use up my psychologist mind. You see me? Psychological mind and brain. Yeah, so I may be wrong, but me just say, you see me? Yeah. The person who what those boys know would have never happy and say, yo, I'm gonna leak them blow. So Queenie, I hope when Queenie hear those voice notes, she don't feel no way, because those were long time voice notes when time them does get entangled in relationship wise, getting close relationship wise, and you know, having a relationship, man. Sometimes you know Queenie, she not change for nobody. She vulgar, she rash, she, you know what I mean? All of the degrading thing that Queenie will do. Because she not ashamed, as what she said. So do you say, boy, you know, him not happy and blah 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 and thing. him can't get no youth from her and them thing there. You know? Him know that from before him going into the relationship, he must know that say he not get no more youth, because Queenie could tell him say, boy, I not go back there, say, you know, now go down the road there again, you know. You see me? My old woman or whatever. Not in a disrespectful way, I'm saying that, you see me? I'm just I say, maybe Queenie I tell him that say, no sir, no youth, you see me? And he also stated that she why him can't see his son. You see me? One bag of thing that the voice note. And if those were recent voice note, I know say Queenie would have feel that way. But me I tell you, I don't think Queenie feel no way. Queenie I go say, hey, I mash them, I try mash up me and me do it for make a war again. No sir. You see me? And I hopefully that she say, because I saw it going on, nobody not perfect, and me just I do that vlog every say, boy, the person who put out the voice note, they not easy at all. You see it? One bag of mix up and go on social media. Jaja. You know, but yeah. Do baby mother, Trisha, me know her, you know, me know her well, good. Fear blood brother and me are like brother from another mother. We grow together. Painland. Zane. Yeah, you see it. Big up yourself, Chino, Michi, Bleeder. Yeah, man. I don't know. Leonie, big up. Yeah, me know her good. I'm just stay so I watch her see what I go on and know, say, you know. But yeah. I know sometimes do we could feel someone see him son, and I know it's still hurt feeling when you can't see all the youth them and situation, you know. But right now me have 2 youth America too, and me not see them. And the only reason stop me from not seeing them through the big C, and me not take the big J, you see me, me not take the joke. That has stopped me from not see them, but hopefully soon we see them still. Big up between them, Aiden and Jaden, you see me? But yeah man, but just I say people wicked still. People just messed up, you know. And I hope Queenie feel no way she them voice note and she can do it still good. You see it? Yeah man, so I don't know, I'm not too the people in life and them things because me say today them vex, tomorrow them that again, so no make sense to pick no side of them. I not pick no side, I just try to speak on a real life justifying level, you know what I mean? So yo, some people never did have to put out them voice note there because all voice note them there. And clearly them voice note there just put out to try hurt Queenie feelings or if we make Queenie and Dowey start war again. People can comment in the comment section and let me know if I'm wrong or not agree with me or remember point. You see me? Yes man, so I don't know how it goes start. We have to live and let others live, you know, and you get me? Stay away from trouble and passa. Yeah, but we say live clean and real, man, and positive. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know, you don't know me. I'm going to please go check out my new single. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I will up a new singles out there, you know, but I drop an EP soon. You see it? Yes, likewise, the who feels it knows. Yeah, man, I love and respect, man. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, Lionfoot with another vlog. I read with another boss now, brag. Big up the world, big up everybody, man. You see it? Big up Queenie, big up Dowey. Big up every single soul. From the young to the old. Yeah, man, Lionfoot with another vlog. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot and close.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.